You are one of the most famous food and cuisine TikTokers.
Today we're in Lebanon.
One of the most followed in Arabic-speaking countries. The largest in the region.
This is Abir, one of the most famous TikTokers in the world. The art of cooking on social media. Then we went to Japan. And this is the most famous ramen chef in Osaka.
Made in Japan is good.
Number one in Japan is a woman who cooks ramen and is a restaurant owner. We will compare and see which food is the best between the Japanese and the Arabic cuisine. Yes, ramen versus stuffed grape leaves.
You lit up Lebanon with your presence.
Before we start, like and subscribe to the channel. Right at the end of the video, who is the winner in your opinion? This is the city of Osaka. Okay guys, we're in Osaka. This restaurant is unique and the owner of the restaurant is special.
昆布で取った
She is one of the few women in Japan who cooks ramen because this profession is dominated by men. So we came to learn more about her, how she started, how she opened the restaurant, why she's so famous, and how she makes ramen, Japanese ramen, and how they make it here in a folk little neighborhood in the middle of Osaka.
Show us the magic.
OK ここにラーメンの返しと油を入れていきます
Okay, this is flavored oil. She said it's a more healthy style of noodles with more wheat. How many minutes? It takes 1 minute to cook. Oh, mixing the soup. Soup with the oil. Okay.
ですごく麺を私見た目にこだわってね
So from now on, she's gonna put toppings on. This is
ネギです
negi, which is onions, green onions.
Yes, green onion
Okay, so she's putting chicken as well on top.
メンマ
Memma is bamboo root. This is 3-leaf
Yes, Japanese
Japanese. She said she really wanted to change this image that, you know, there's not a lot of female ramen shop owners, so she wanted to be somebody who would change that image. She bought this place.
OK
Oh, we're finished
Yes
already. Oh, so quick.
The noodles are ready.
Oh my god.
塩ラーメンで
Oh. ありがとうございました。
It's like it's okay. Like that. So yeah.
This is a good one.
Thank you
Yeah.
This is the real ramen, the original one. Right here in Osaka, Japan. Look.
So what's your name?
ゆい
Yui.
ゆい Yes
Very nice food.
Thank you
So good, so good.
Ah, she has 4 branches.
You're not making any like sushi?
寿司を
No sushi restaurant?
やったことはないです
She worked at a ramen restaurant for a year. To gain experience, then she came to Osaka and opened her restaurant. Then she became famous from a video on YouTube that someone posted about her, which got more than 12 million views. She became very famous. When we came earlier, we found her editing, making videos. Then we arrived in Beirut. And this is Tarzan,
This is Lebanon.
the person who advertises Lebanon the most. Beirut, Lebanon.
Welcome.
Beirut! Okay, let's go. Let's hang out.
This is Lebanon.
This area is called Jub Janin, guys. We passed through these areas until we reached a village near the Syrian border. The tranquility and beauty of nature in this place, hello, is wonderful. Hello. How are you? All good? Abir. We're in Lebanon.
You are welcome.
This is the background I always see in her videos.
Okay, this is the new kitchen. The old one was inside. The new one is on the balcony and has glass walls.
بس ما في
This is my collection that I've been growing for 4, 5, 6 years. I collected all of them.
The beginning was humble, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was from
It
this
was here?
kitchen.
What's the secret behind it? You cook here, right?
I cook here.
This is the lighting. Look at this.
I use daylight. Today I will cook stuffed grape leaves and zucchini with meat. Our Middle Eastern food is known as top dishes. It cannot be compared to any other cuisines. No one can beat us.
This is the last episode.
When I want to make a video, I start first with the music that I will use. Because every recipe needs special music. This means if I want to cook grape leaves, I cannot use calm music, as calm music goes with cake. But stuffed grape leaves need action. When I want to cook a country's national dish, it takes me 6 to 7 hours of researching the specific country and its most popular
I travel
food.
to try cuisines around the world, but she does it from here. She has all cuisines of the world. How do you learn each recipe? For example, a recipe from Uzbekistan. Can you cook plov? Or Indian curry recipes? How do you learn each recipe?
Cooking is the easiest thing.
Do you learn recipes online?
Yeah, online. But cooking is the easiest part. For example, yesterday I was cooking an Azerbaijani dish. I chose the song, and I prepared the clothes that look traditional. Of course, they aren't the same, but I tried to match clothes I have available to theirs.
This is Abir's shop, look. This is how you can appear every day in a different traditional dress. This is the secret.
Before I get into the kitchen and start, I watch YouTube videos about the recipe, then memorize the steps.
And quick.
Yeah,
Will the food be delicious in the end? Does it taste as good as it looks?
of course.
Shall we try grape leaves and see for ourselves?
Today I will cook stuffed grape leaves. Grape leaves are a Middle Eastern dish. It's a very special dish for us. It's one of our best dishes. Westerners are always very impressed by this dish and ask me about it a lot. They wish to try it. Iraqi dolma is different as it contains other types of vegetables. Today I am making stuffed grape leaves and zucchini with meat. Especially in Lebanon, you find that most homes contain a grape tree from which the leaves are harvested to be cooked. I currently have 23.2 million followers on TikTok. Before I started TikTok, I was only on Instagram, posting stories about fashion and clothes. I loved cooking, so I used to post some cooking stories, but I didn't post many posts about cooking. TikTok was released and a lot of people started telling me to download it, so I caved in eventually. The dish I excelled the most in cooking was Italian. It was lasagna. A recipe that was very difficult was an Algerian dish. It didn't come out good the first time. It contained dough, and their recipes are difficult.
What is the most Arabic dish you've excelled at cooking?
Stuffed grape leaves.
Which you are cooking now.
And the Jordanian mansaf. Then I put zucchini on top of them. It started with one video. I was filming most of the videos with Western music, so I was famous at first among Westerners and not Arabs. Even Arabs thought I was not Arab. Now I will put the onions on top. I will not put any more grape leaves because the pot is full. Also some tomatoes. This is the leftover sauce from the filling with water and some spices. Then I put it on the stove. Now we have to flip it over in one try.
Okay?
In one try.
In one try. Okay. Simple, guys.
Okay, bravo, bravo! Come on, let's go.
Look at this touch. Look at the art. What is the secret? Look at this art.
The secret is in my hands.
Imagine, Abir cooks a dish
Thanks.
like this every day and feeds the whole house. I wish I lived in this house.
You should be happy even if you don't like it.
There are millions of people who always ask, is the food actually delicious?
In the name of Allah.
Wow.
And the zucchini?
نحط بعين ها
Honestly wonderful.
So delicious.
Really delicious.
Wow, 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 wow.
No pretense, no kidding. This food is
I've
so
cooked this
delicious.
recipe more times than I've breathed in my life.
For having us.
Ah, you're welcome. It was my honor to host you. You are welcome.
Welcome to the village. We'll go hang out now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Abir's YouTube channel is in the description box. She has a YouTube channel alongside Tarzan's TikTok and Instagram.